Question number 1. The ground state energy of hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volt. What is the kinetic energy of electron in this state? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है माइनस 13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर बी है प्लस 13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर सी माइनस 27.2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी 27.2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. तो करेक्ट आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज बी ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. द मिनिमम वेवलेंथ फॉर बार्मर सीरीज इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए 9 by r, option number B 4 by r, option number C 36 by 5r and option number D r by 4. तो correct answer is option B. Question number 3. Calculate the energy equivalent of 1 gram of substance. Option A 9 into 10 to the raise 13 joule, option B 4 into 10 to the raise 12 joule, option C 6 into 10 to the raise 11 joule and option D 7 into 10 to the raise 12 joule. Correct answer of this question is option A. Question number 4. In which process neutron is converted into proton? Option A beta plus decay, option B alpha decay, option C beta minus decay and option D gamma decay. Correct answer of question number 4 is option C. Question number 5. The forbidden gap between conduction band and valence band is maximum for dash. Option A insulator, option B metal, option C semiconductor, option D superconductor. तो correct answers of question number 5 is A. Question number 6. The below truth table is for a which gate? तो इनपुट एंड आउटपुट टेबल गिवन दैट इनपुट में हमारे दो कॉलम है ए एंड बी और आउटपुट में एक है वाई. तो इनपुट में सिग्नल है 0 0 और आउटपुट है 1, 0 1 आउटपुट है 1, 1 0 आउटपुट है 1 एंड 1 1 पे आउटपुट है 0. अब इस टेबल को देख करके हमें आंसर बताना है कि कौन सा करेक्ट आंसर है. तो ऑप्शन ए एंड गेट है, ऑप्शन बी और गेट है, ऑप्शन सी नॉर गेट है एंड ऑप्शन डी नैंड गेट है. तो करेक्ट आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज ऑप्शन डी नैंड गेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. फॉर ए प्योर सिलिकॉन क्रिस्टल हैज़ 5 into 10 to the raise 28 एटम मीटर की पावर -3. इट इज़ द डोप्ड बाय 1 ppm concentration of pentavalent arsenic. Calculate the number of electron and holes given that Ni equal to 1.5 10 to the 16 meter की पावर -3. ऑप्शन नंबर ए 5.4 into 10 to the 9 मीटर की पावर -3, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 4.5 10 to the 9 मीटर की पावर -3, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 4.5 into 10 to the -9 मीटर की पावर -3, ऑप्शन नंबर डी 5.4 into 10 to the -9 मीटर की पावर -3. करेक्ट ऑप्शंस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शंस बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. In diode increasing the forward voltage, the thickness of deflection layer does. Option number A does not change, option number B increase, option number C decrease, option number D cannot be decided. Correct answers of question number 8 is C decreases. Question number 9. If charge q is placed on one of the vertex of a cube, then flux passing through any one surface of q is ... Option A q by epsilon naught, option B q by 6 epsilon naught and option C q by 24 epsilon naught and option D none of these. Correct answers of this question is option C. Question number 10. 2-point electric charge plus 10 to raise minus 8 coulomb and minus 10 to raise minus 8 coulomb are placed 0.1 meter apart. Find the magnitudes of total electric field at the center of the line joining the two charges. Option number A 3.6 10 to raise 4 Newton per coulomb. Option number B 7.2 10 to raise 4 Newton per coulomb. Option number C 0. Option number D 12.96 10 to raise 4 Newton per coulomb. Correct answers of question number 10 is B option. Question number 11. The charge density of uniformly charged infinite plane is sigma. A simple pendulum is suspended vertically downward near it. Charge Q non is placed on metallic bob. If the angle made by the string is theta with vertical direction, then ... Option A sigma directly proportional to tan theta by Q non. Option B sigma directly proportional cot theta by Q non. Option C sigma directly proportional tan theta. Option D sigma directly proportional Q non upon tan theta. Correct answers of these questions is option number C. Question number 12. The dimensional formula of polarization P is dash. Option A m की power 1 l की power minus 2 a की power 1 and t की power 1. Option B l की power minus 2 a की power minus 1 and t की power minus 1. Option C l square a inverse t inverse. Option D l की power minus 2 a की power 1 and t की power 1. तो correct answers of question number 12 is option number D. Question number 13. If the relative permeability for any substance is 80, then its electric susceptibility is dash. Option number A 7 into 10 to the raise minus 10. Option number B 7 into 10 to the raise minus 9. Option number C 79. Option number D 81 into 10 to the raise minus 10. So correct answers of question number 13 is option number C. Question number 14. 2 microfarad capacitor is connected with 50 volt supply and 3 microfarad capacitor is connected with 100 volt supply. Now after removing battery, if two plates of same type of charge are placed to from new capacitor, then potential difference is dash volt. Option A 333, option B 80, option C 200, option D 75. Correct options of these questions is option B 80. Question number 15. The EMF of a car battery is 12 volt. Of internal resistance of battery is 0.4 ohm. Then maximum power drawn from battery is dash watt. Okay. And option number A 360, option number B 30, option number C 4.8 and option D 0. So correct answers of question number 15 is option A 360. Question number 16. The resistance of the platinum wire of a platinum resistance thermometer at a ice point is 5 ohm and at steam point is 5.23 ohm. When the thermometer is inserted in a hot bath, the resistance of platinum wire is 5.79 ohm. Calculate the temperatures of the bath. Option A 365.65 degrees Celsius. Option B 354.56 degrees Celsius. Option C 345.65 degrees Celsius. Options D 245.65 degrees Celsius. Our correct answers of the question number 16 is option C. Question number 17. one electric cell having EMF of 2 volt and internal resistance of 0.1 ohm, and other electric cell having EMF of 4 volt and internal resistance of 0.2 ohm are connected in parallel to each other, then its equivalent EMF will be ... volt. Option A 2.57, option B 2.67, option C 1.33, and option D 0.38. Correct answers of question number 17 is option B 2.67. Question number 18. Source of magnetic field is dash and source of electric field is dash. Option A scalar, scalar. Option B vector, vector. Option C scalar, vector. Option D vector and scalar. So correct answer of question number 18 is option D vector scalar. Question number 19. A coil having 10 ampere meter square magnetic moment is placed in a vertical plane and it's free to the rotate about its horizontal axis coincides with its diameter. A uniform magnetic field of 2T is horizontal direction exists such that initially the axis of the coil in its directions of the field. The coil rotates through the angle of 90 degree under the influence of magnetic field. The moment of inertia of coil is 0.1 kilogram meter square. What will be its angular speed? Option A 10 radian per second, option B 5 radian per second, option C 20 radian per second, and option D 40 radian per second. Correct answers of question number 19 is option C 20 radian per second. Question number 20. 10 ampere current is passing through a very long wire of radius 5 cm. Then magnetic field at a distance of 2 cm inside from its curved surface is dash cross 10 to the minus 5 Tesla. Option A 6.7 10 to the minus 5. Option B 2.4 10 to the minus 5. Option C 2.4 into 10 to the 5. Option D 2.4. Correct answers of question number 20 is option D 2.4. Question number 21. In the India declaration at the Delhi is dash. Option A 0 degree 41 minute W west. Option B 0 degree 41 minute east. Option C 0 degree 58 minute east. Option D 0 degree 58 minute west. The correct answers of question number 21 is option B 0 degree 41 minute east. Question number 22. The relative permeability in a core of a solenoid is 400. The winding of the solenoid are insulated from the core and carry a current of 2 ampere. If the number of turn is 1000 per meter, then magnetic intensity inside the core of solenoid is dash ampere per meter. Option A 2 into 10 to the 3. Option B 2.5 into 10 to the minus 3. Option C 2.5 into 10 to the 3. Option D 2 into 10 to the minus 3. The correct answers of question number 22 is option A 2 into 10 to the 3. Question number 23. The coil having 1000 turns and area of 0.10 meter square rotates at the half a revolutions per second and it is placed in a uniform magnetic field of 0.01 Tesla perpendicular to the axis of rotations of coil. Then maximum EMF voltage generated in the coil is dash volt. Option A 5 volt. Option B 0.5, option C 3.14 and option D 0.314. The correct answers of question number 23 is option C 3.14. Question number 24. Out of the following given loops is which loop is the direction of induced current is from A to C and C to V. Option A, B and C is given that. See the figure. Correct options of question number 24 is D option. Question number 25, which is not the unit of inductance? Option A, volt, second A inverse. Option B, Weber, A inverse. Option C, H Henry. And option D, Weber, second A inverse. So correct answers of question number 25 is option D, Weber, second A inverse. Question number 26, a bulb of 100 watt rating is connected with 220 volt supply. The resistance of bulb is dash. Option A, 484 ohm per meter. Option B, 484 ohm. Option C, 2.2 ohm. Option D, 2.2 into 10 to the minus 3 ohm per meter. So correct answers of question number 26 is option B, 484 ohm. Question number 27, a sine voltage having the maximum value of 283 volt and frequency of 50 Hz is applied to LCR series connection where R equal to 3 ohm and L equal to 25.48 mH and C equal to 796 microfarad. Then impedance is dash at the resonance condition. Option A, 5 ohm. Option B, 15 ohm. Option C, 3 ohm. And option D, 4 ohm. Correct answers of question number 27 is option C, 3 ohm. Question number 28, what is correct for real transformer? Option A, Pi is greater than P non. Option B, Pi is less than P non. Option C, Pi equal to P non. And option D, all are correct. Correct answers of question number 28 is option A, Pi is greater than P non. Question number 29, the source of displacement current is dash. Option A, changing electric field. Option B, static electric field. Option C, changing magnetic field. And option D, static magnetic field. So correct answers of question number 29 is option A, changing electric field. Question number 30, the range of wavelength for the ultraviolet is from dash to dash. Option A, 0.1 m to 1 mm. Option B, 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Option C, 1 mm to 700 nanometer. Option D, 400 nanometer to 1 nanometer. Correct answers of question number 30 is option D, 400 nanometer to 1 nanometer. Question number 31, the earth rotates on its axis, takes 24 hours to complete one revolution. How much time it takes at sun from earth to have shift of 1 degree? Option A, 4 hours. Option B, 4 minutes. Option C, 4 seconds. Option D, 24 hours. Correct answers of question number 31 is option B, 4 minutes. Question number 32, for the glass lens f equal to plus 50 centimeter, then power of lens is dash. Option A, minus 2 diopter. Option B, plus 0.2 diopter. And option C, plus 2 diopter. Option D, minus 0.02 diopter. Correct answers of question number 32 is option C, 2 diopter. Question number 33, a lens n equal to 1.5 is placed in a liquid. To make it disappear, the value of n of liquid should be option A, n is less than 1.5. Option B, n equal to 1.5. Option C, n is greater than 1.5. And option D, any n. So correct answers of question number 33 is option B, n equal to 1.5. Question number 24, what is the types of the nature of image formed for a object placed an axis of the concave mirror between pole and center? Option A, virtual, erect and diminished. Option number B, real, inverted and diminished. Option number C, real, inverted and magnified. Option number D, virtual, erect and magnified. So correct answers of question number 34 is option D, virtual, erect and magnified. Question number 35. The distance between two slits is 3 mm and screen is placed at 2 meter distance. When blue-green light of wavelength 500 nanometer is used, then distance between two fringes will be option A 0.43 mm, option B 0.33 mm, option C 0.5 mm and option D 0.4 mm. Correct answers of question number 35 is option B 0.33 mm. Question number 36. For what distance is ray optics a good approximations when the aperture is 4 mm wide and the wavelength is 500 nanometer? Option A 32 meter and option B 18 meter, option C 8 meter and option D 6 meter. Correct answers of question number 36 is option A 32 meter. Question number 37. Resolving power of microscope is dash. Option A 2 lambda by 1.22 n sin beta. Option B 1.22 n by 2 lambda sin beta. And option C 1.22 n sin beta upon 2 n lambda. Option D 1.22 lambda upon 2 n sin beta. Correct answers of question number 37 is option D 1.22 lambda by 2 n sin beta. Question number 38. How much is the de Broglie wavelength for an electron accelerated by an 100 volt potential difference? Option A 123 nanometer, option B 0.123 nanometer, option C 12.3 nanometer and option D 0.123 centimeters. Correct answers of question number 38 is option number B 0.123 nanometer. Question number 39. The threshold frequency of cesium is 5.16 into 10 to the 14 Hz. Then its work function is ... electron volt. Option number A 2.14, option number B 1.14, option C 1.12 and option number D 4.12. Correct answers of question number 39 is option A 2.14. Question number 40. The nucleus of gold is about dash times heavier than an alpha particle. Option number A 50, option B 10, option C 100, option D 200. Correct answers of question number 40 is option A 50.